Hello, everyone. Today is January 30th, 2023. It's a Monday. And like every Monday, I expect the market to range a bit. And today has been kind of an exception. It's been lowering, but initially the market ES started to move up. I did make 3 trades today, and I wanted to share them with you to see to share what I thought when I was entering. Before that, remember to subscribe to the channel and also like this video if you like it. Okay, so let's go ahead. And the first trade I took was a kind of in this choppy area in gold. So you see that that gold has been ranging from last week, and in the overnight was not the exception. Right here, you do have. Right here, do you have? I'm sorry. Right here, you have the overnight, and actually, what I did was to mark the high on this one right there. There is a three dots that you see there. So that one, and that one, and for me, those three were kind of similar highs. So I chose the higher one on the overnight. So there were two more from previous session on gold that I kind of guesstimated that was not going to be that relevant in this case. This one is kind of in between, so I put that one there. So that is the first the first high or the first high where I put it, and then I put it down here. So this is probably the range I was looking at on the 30 minutes. You see the last 30 minutes has been moving down, and but you have plenty of ups down. The market is ranging in gold now. So where I took the trade, a little bit risky. I took it when it broke this level here, and I was actually panicked on that. So you see that there is a couple of touches there. This one is not really significant at all, but this one here kind of confirmed the bounce in there. So when it broke, I took the trade right there. The first stop was $90 per contract, so I lost $180 down there. Now, when it came back down, and you see that's why I thought that it was going to come down the first time. And it was this one is a breakout, right? Not a clean one, but it's a breakout anyway. So I took that one, and then this one is a week out of the moving average. This one is actually a week out of the 18, and also out of the VWAP. So came back down, gave me one target, and then came back up and gave me $20 more. So in between the two of them, I did have $120. So in between the two of them, I am now $50 on $60 on that trade on gold. So and then since I was looking at this range, I left it alone, didn't trade anymore, and I wanted to see, what I want to see is a break out of this low here, and then or a break out of this high right there, which is the range of the range where I defined initially. So I don't expect that. I expect that the market is going to, or gold is going to move around in this area. So probably concentrate a lot of trading in this area until and if move to the downside or move to the upside. It is a range day from previous day. So here you have the high right there and the low right there. So yeah, it makes sense that it is not going to be that much today. Okay, so let's go to ES. And this one was a good trade. Let's review it together. So I was looking at this market right here, and we went yesterday or Friday. We went to that high up here. So I mark this area. I'm gonna do it with this instead. So I mark this area as a potential resistance right there. So I was looking at the market and see if it was going to go up. However, market went to the 50, which is this one is an area. The 50 SMA is an area that the market likes to visit, and then came back down and broke this 30 minutes right there. So I was looking at it, and I'm gonna put that one there. Give me 1 second. Yes. So market was pushing up. I didn't want to take any upside trade, even though I recognized that there was a channel moving to the upside right here. And then the market was moving in the overnight, was moving already down. So then you have this move, and then a range, and then came back down. Now, when it left the VWAP, I took this trade here, and why? Let me explain you a little bit better. So I saw again a breakout, right? So you see that the market has a level here, and you have 1, 2, 3 lows, and then it made a wick out of the moving average on the 18, and then came back down. So I took the trade right in the break right there, one target, and then the second target was over there. I did not want to hold it more because it could, the market is not moving in the direction in one direction firm, so it's kind of like ranging now, deciding what I wanted to do. So I just wanted to go to the target. In this case, in between the two trades is what it was $437.50, which is very, very important. So so it's in between the three trades. I'm at 377. It's 11 a.m. and I think that I'm done with my trading for today. For Monday is not a bad deal. And remember, I do have 7 accounts, including my own. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts there. So not bad for today. And then I do have plus. Yeah, so a total of $2,640 in between the 7 accounts. So not bad for a Monday, and I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel.